And welcome back to my channel. Am I getting like a receding hairline? Like, has my forehead grown? Oh, I only have a 3 head. Wow. Today we are going to be doing this super easy, super cute, glittery, smoky-ish sorta makeup look for Valentine's Day. I don't know why I'm so hyper right now. It's like really rainy and cloudy outside, which is my favorite kind of weather, so I think I'm like high on life right now, lit. But yeah, if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, oh my god, I need to calm down. I'm too much right now. Anyway, if you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, just keep on watching. I like how this avocado blanket is like the background for all of my videos. I'm just putting on a bit of moisturizer before I start, since my skin is so dry. I take this nice angled brush. Speaking of which, I got these brushes off of Wish, I think, and they're honestly the greatest thing that's ever happened to me. They're so pretty and durable, and they work super well. They're really soft, so I will put a link for them in the description box if you're interested. I think honestly they were like $5 or something, and it came in a set, and they're amazing. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. It is almost out and I need to go buy more immediately. And I'm just going to lightly line the brows. I'm gonna take the LA Girl Pro Concealer and just kind of clean up the edges. It comes with this really cool brush already, so you just pretty much outline it. And I'm gonna cover my lid as a base as well. I'm gonna go in with this Essence Make Me Brow gel, and I'm just going to quickly brush through that to kind of help everything set. And then I'm just going to quickly go in with a skin tone colored eyeshadow to set it. Now that we have a nice clean base, we're just going to go in with the color Cocoa Bear by Makeup Geek. It's right here. This is gonna be like our nice deep warm transition shade that we're gonna be using. So I'm just taking that on a nice fluffy brush here, and all I'm gonna do is start from the outer corner in small circular motions, and I'm going to blend that out into the crease. Then from the Modern Renaissance palette, we're going to go in with this color, which is Cypress Umber and Red Ochre, and we're going to mix them together on this kind of flattened blending brush. I'm going to put it right here at the edge of my crease and start to pack that in on the outer third of my eye. And I want it to be pretty smoky, so I'm gonna go back in with the same colors, which is Red Ochre and Cypress Umber, with a more dense shading brush. That way it really packs on the color. And then you're just gonna kind of blend that out. Then we're gonna use our really thin, precise, angled, chiseled, flat-topped, that's the right word, flat-topped brush. And I'm gonna use Erase Paste as my concealer because it's a really thick consistency concealer. This is a number 2, it's by Benefit, and this is an older concealer, but it's really, really great, especially for like blocking out the colors and cleaning it up for a cut crease sort of deal, which is what we're doing. I'm just gonna pat that over top of where I blended originally. and that way it blends really nicely into the concealer. I'm just gonna take some of that glue. You're gonna put it on a flat brush, and all you're gonna do is tap it. So you're gonna put it precisely where you want it to be, because that's where the glitter is gonna cling to. You're gonna take that and press it. So you're gonna press it exactly where you placed the glue. I'm just gonna finish doing the rest of my foundation and complexion, and I'll be right back to show you guys the whole makeup look. Yeah, I like it. So all I did was throw on Benetint by Benefit. Over top of that, I threw on the number 05 in the Buff lipstick by the Estee Edit. It's like a really, really nice moisturizing lip color. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It actually wasn't that difficult to do. It didn't take very long to do either. So if you guys try it out, please let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. It lets me know that you guys like my content and you want to stick around. I can officially say, after editing and filming and doing all those things, having my schedule together, I'm gonna be uploading on Mondays and Wednesdays now, every single week. So let's hope that I can stick to that and I can continue to upload consistently on those days. If you want to get notified whenever I do upload, just go ahead and click the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload. I will have one other makeup look coming out for Valentine's Day, that way you guys have some options. This is going to be the more glam and done up look. I am going to go and do a nice soft romantic look, so keep an eye out for that one. I hope you guys have a good Valentine's Day with your honey bunny or whoever you're spending time with, and I hope you guys have a really lovely time together. And if you're single, then throw this look on for yourself. Go out to a bar, have a drink with your friends, and just have a great time knowing that you look good as hell. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching, and bye guys!